Hey guys, Jason Catrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. I have so much stuff in me right now.
Got a little
That's
Chewbacca
basically
in
what
your
it feels
throat.
like, yeah. It's like the seasons are a changing, and so are my phlegms.
The phlegms.
The phlegms. Yeah, it keeps coming up. It's killing me today. But
I've got two solutions for that.
What? Punch
Number
me in the
one,
throat?
yeah, no. Number one, you hit that subscribe button, and then the little gargles will go away from Jason's voice, and then
maybe I'll
also,
gargle more.
Yeah. Oh gosh. If the tea's not working, maybe some Coke
Studio. Hey.
will help. I love me some Coca-Cola. Some Coke.
Yes.
It's delicious, especially when it's hot. It's not so hot anymore. It's cold.
But in the summer, it's a hot, refreshing treat.
Yeah, and
especially in the glass bottle.
Yeah, with a little spicy bit.
Yeah. In America, it's really popular to get the glass bottle. They used to be really rare. Now they're back again. But you go to a restaurant and they have the glass Coke. That's a big deal.
Yeah.
You like it.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it just tastes better in that glass bottle.
It does. Yeah.
And I remember as a kid, I would get my hair cut, and they had little glass bottles of Coke, and I could get one. My mom would get me one, and they had little packs of peanuts, and I would put the peanuts in the Coke and drink it. Oh, I haven't done that in forever.
I saw a video about someone trying that for the first time.
It's so fantastic.
And yeah, it's like a nice little sweet and salty treat.
It's a sweet and salty treat. It's what we love everywhere.
And you know what else we love? Coke
Studio, and we're gonna do it right now. We've got
Season 10.
Season
this is
10.
An older
this
video.
Is older.
We're traveling back in time. Join us on the time machine.
We're getting caught up on all the Coke Studios, and we get suggestions for every season, so keep them coming. That's great. But today we're doing Season 10 with Ali Zafar. Yeah. Shall we?
Ali
Coke
Zafar.
Studio Season 10.
Isn't that
the... I'm done.
Oh.
Master Inayat.
I wonder what these compositions look like, notated on paper.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
Have you ever seen that?
Yeah, I haven't seen it.
It's gotta be so cool.
Yeah.
Have me at the cello every time. Play a cello and I'm yours.
You hear that? Play a cello. You are from Monticello.
That's true. Oh, I never thought about that. Cello's in my name. Monticello.
Jaan-e-Bahaaraan, raj ke chaman, uncha dam seemi badan.
That guy's chilling.
Jaan-e-Bahaaraan, raj ke chaman, uncha dam seemi badan.
Oh, I like this vibe.
जन्नत की हूरे तुझ पे फिदा रफ्तार जैसे मौजे सबा रंगी अदा तौबा शिकन ए जाने मन जाने-बहारां.
I went somewhere different.
Yeah.
जाने-बहारां जाने मन नजरों में तेरी किया है सितम ख्वासे खुदा की ये रंगीनियां जादू किया है ये तूने सनम तौबा तेरी अदा उसकी अनायत हुस्न तेरा रंगी जमाल नाजुक बदन उन पे रहम सरो चमन जाने-बहारां ओ जाने मन
We need that shirt.
I literally was just thinking that you need to start wearing more of those shirts.
Yes. I love it. I don't know where you get those.
जुल्फे तेरी मुश्के खुतन है जाने मन जाने बहारों
Those BGVs are smooth.
नाज़ पर नाज़ आफ़री लाखों हंसी है तुझ सा नहीं अंदाज़बी शीर सुखन है जाने मन हम जाने हम
Oh, he is reading. He's reading.
Yeah,
I was like, he keeps looking down. And I was like,
I saw him a minute ago. Hey! Ah!
slow clap.
Ah!
Rudy.
Slow clap, fast
Rudy.
clap, all the claps. That was great.
That was great.
His voice is beautiful.
Yeah.
Just that subtlety in the tone. I talk about tone a lot on here, you guys, but it was so, in coaching, you probably do this a lot too. I try to help everyone understand the most subtle spots of their vocal. And we talk openly about being subtle, not only vocally, but as you are as a person, as you are as a human, all this stuff. It's a bigger meaning. His voice was very subtle through the beginning of this, and it was just spot on. It was so good. Yeah.
Yeah, and I just love the growth of Coke Studio. It's really
Totally.
cool going backwards after
know.
seeing all this. Like it's still super polished, but
Yeah.
you can still tell how much
It
it's
has
just
grown.
and
I thought that same thing.
it's just really, really cool.
Yeah.
And we get to benefit
It's
from it.
always been a production, but it is now like a huge deal,
Yeah.
right?
So super cool.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything I could add to it that would make it any better.
Yeah,
So
no,
that's
it
why I'm
was-
just kind of like
that was right in the pocket.
Yep.
Let's put it that way.
pocket.
Home. Is that the?
No, that's
maybe?
Red Robin.
Oh yeah.
Red Robin. Yum.
Oh, it says yum. Oh yeah, that makes more sense. Guys, we're
Anyway.
going back to our childhood with somewhat not great food for us, but.
Gosh, burger
Sounds so good.
right
Burger
now.
sounds so good. Oh my gosh, we're getting hungry.
Hey.
Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, I am Jason
I'm
Catrone,
Carlos Santiago.
and we are Vocal Lab Collective.